Hey there, it's Brittany, and I have an unboxing video from Lima Beads. So in my last video, I was like, oh, I got to go back and get more fruit. So I got more of a couple things that I got last time because they were just such a good deal. But the first thing I got more of was the fruit, and it actually ended up being the Tuesday lunch special. So I got it even cheaper than it was before. So I went back and got a bunch. And I know on my last strand there was like only one lime, which is kind of a bummer. So let's see what we got here. So we got another lime here. I don't know what this red thing's supposed to be. I think these are kind of like fantasy fruits. We have some lemons. I'm glad I waited to check out from a different store before I got these, because some of the lemons are duplicates of what I was going to order somewhere else. So we've got some grapes. I don't know what these light green ones are supposed to be. I think they're, like I said, they're like fantasy colors. Like we have a lighter lime here, we have a like key lime here, and I think on one of these strands we have a dark lime. Yep, right there. So I'm super happy. These will be great for earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. Yummy. Okay, this was a strand that was on sale too. Let me see. This is called Check Glass White Picasso Horse Eye 18 by 8 millimeter. I didn't know that this was like the name of this shape, but it's called Horse Eye because I saw it throughout their site. Were these on sale? Oh, they were $1.90. They were cheaper than any of the other ones. They're smaller than I was expecting, but they're okay. They're cute. I got another strand of these Tibetan agate Z beads in the blue round. These are a little bit darker than the other strand I got, but that's okay. They're still really, really cool. And I just won something from Beauty and the Bead that might match these. So stay tuned for that when those come in. I also got a different strand of Z agates that I didn't get last time. These are 8 millimeter blue banded faceted, and I just thought they were really cool. These would actually go with the thing I bought too. I'm not going to spoil it, but these are so pretty. I just love blue, and they actually look really good with these too. Next, I also got another strand of each of these. These were the Tibetan Z matte rust rounds in 8 and 10 millimeter. So they're on sale. I think they're on last chance special on their site, and they were a really good deal. So I got another strand of those each. And then I got, this was on sale too. I got 6 feet. It's mustard metallic round leather cord 2 millimeter. It was 45 cents a foot. So, and they say it's mustard, it's just gold. And in the camera it's looking pretty light, but it's not dark gold, but it's a little bit darker than it is on the screen. But it's just a really nice, like sunshiny gold. Really pretty. And oh, I left some things downstairs, darn it. This is just one bead. It's a Z bead. It's an evil eye focal. So that's the back. Here's the front. And then I got some pave stuff. This one is a Galaxy Mix Pave gold plated eye focal, last chance special. It was $2.42. Very cool. This one is a Sangria Mix Pave rhodium plated pebble focal link. Last chance, $2. Very cool. I left 2 links downstairs. One's a Hamsa, and I can't remember the other one, but I'm not gonna go get them. And then I got these 2 charms, tiara cast. I think they were 99 cents, but they're so cute. And then last but not least, one of the other pave things that I left downstairs is a smaller bracelet link. Not quite like this, but it's an evil eye too. And then last but not least, this Sangria Mix coin focal 25 by 18 millimeter. So I'm really excited about all these new pave pieces that I have. We'll see if I can make myself use them. So anyway, I think obviously my favorite things are still the fruit, but I really like these two together. And I can't wait to start using them. Let me know what your favorite thing is. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. How are you so knocked out? You haven't done anything all day. Well, you did get a bath. She was a little traumatized after her bath. Oh. Oh, yeah. And you had some chicken and you had some watermelon for lunch, huh? I think it's a pretty good day. We're going to a cookout in a little bit, in a few hours, right? For 4th of July. Maybe she'll get more chicken and watermelon. Gotta get those naps in so you can hide from everybody at the cookout. Look at this little baby. Look at that little baby.